Incoming!
Issued severe thunderstorm watch number 293, effective until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: Atascosa, Bandera, Bexar, Comano, Guadalupe, Kendall, Medina, and Wilson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Your local forecast. Today, mostly cloudy. A 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Highs around 90.
I thought I just turned you off.
Southeast wind.
There. Make a nice effect with the incoming.